explain these two equations, it will be better that you understand them, because this is the one that guys will be dealing to get what you call estimated mean, whereby they will give you what a table data. If they give you a table data, use this equation. But if they give you what a data set of number, you will be using this equation. And this one there, it got its own lessons there. I explained this equation. But for this one, it's a sum of frequency multiplied by what? By the midpoint divided by the total number of frequency. And this one there, it's a mean there. Yeah, this thing, it's a midpoint, guys, the value for x. So how do you do this thing there? Imagine that you are given this table there, but they need you to get the what estimated mean. These two things, guys, you will fill them by yourself, because they won't give you this. You just do it by yourself then. So right here, you will just say here, it's a what? It's a midpoint, which is value for x. Then here it will be frequency multiplied by x then. But this table, guys, what does it represent? Let me try to read this statement. They say that the following table shows the monthly cell phone expenses of a group of 30 grade 11 learners then. Yeah. So yeah, there I won't be explaining deep there what does all that thing mean and stuff. But what I want you to understand, it's an approach, guys. So here you got your intervals and here you got your frequency. So from frequency, you just get the value for n, which is the total number of frequency then. So for you to do that, you just add all of those values then. Just say this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this then. Do you see? So it means that I will just get 30 there as the final answer. Do you see? And now, guys, what I should get there, it's a midpoint. For you to get the midpoint, you'll be focusing on the intervals there. You just add those two values, then you divide it by 2. Get a midpoint, you just add those two values, then you divide it by 2, even as well as this one, you add those two values, you divide it by 2, then add those two values, then divide it by 2, then for this one there, you add these two values, then you divide it by 2. So a midpoint, guys, it's a straightforward day. Here you can tell that it's 50. Then for this one, a midpoint between these two numbers, it's 150. Then between this one, it's 250. Anyway, let me confirm. Let me not guess, guys, because you might find out that I'm wrong. So this one divided by 2. That one, it's 50. Then for this one, it's 100 plus 200 divided by 2. This one, okay, it's correct. Then even as well as this one plus this. Oh, what I'm doing, bro. So here supposed to be 300 plus 400 divided by 2, meaning this one is supposed to be 350. This one there will be 450 there. Yeah, those are the midpoint. And now what you should do now, you should get frequency multiplied by midpoint there. So you just say frequency multiplied by midpoint here to get the answer, then frequency multiplied by midpoint to get the answer, and frequency multiplied by what? By midpoint there, even as well as this there. Do you see? Even as well as this. So do not panic, guys, when you get bigger values there. Do not panic. Just follow the approach there. Just understand that approach. So this multiplied by 50. So it means here it's 150. Then okay, 5 multiplied by 150. So it means here it's 750. Then here it's 12 multiplied by 2 this. So here I will get 3000. Do you see? These kind of numbers, they should not make you to panic, guys. 6 multiplied by this, meaning this one it's 2110. 100. Then 4 multiplied by this, then by this. So it means that it's 1100 and 100, yeah, 1000 and 1100, guys. There is no end. 1100. And now what I can do, that I will get the sum of frequency multiplied by midpoint there. So straightforward there, you just add all of those values. So let's just add all of these values, this plus 3000 plus 2100 plus 1800. So this is what I get there, it's 1800 there. Do you see? So once guys I know these two things, that I can get what we call estimated mean, which is the value for the symbol for mean is this one. The equation there, it will say sum of frequency multiplied by midpoint divided by the total number of frequency, and say it is equal to, then you substitute them. Straightforward, so that you will get your final answer. Yeah, do you see? So let me try to press this thing guys from a calculator. So from a calculator there, this is what I get. So let me just say divide by this then. So it means that I'll get 260. Do you see? Then if they can ask you to get a what? A model class then. A model class guys, it's straightforward then. A model class, it is the interval which got a highest frequency, meaning that thing there, it's an interval there. That's an interval which got a highest frequency there, which is this thing there, it's an answer. Do you see? Yeah. So just know guys how to get here in order for you to get estimated mean. Do you see? Yeah. So this one is so easy, honestly. So thank you guys for your time. All the best in your studies. God bless you.